Hi, welcome to this one take bike review of the Probike Vintage. I'll let you have a look around before we start reviewing it. Okay, so Probike have been selling these for quite a while now, probably 10 years. They've stuck to the same design. Nothing much has changed. A new one today will cost you $324.99 approximately. Right, frame set. So you get steel frame and steel forks. It's you have eyes at the front for mudguards, and hang on, let me just sort this out. Here we go. Eyes at the front for mudguards and a front rack. You have mounts for a chain guard, and at the back you get a rack included and mudguard mounts. There's no bottle cage mounts. That is your lot. So that's the frame, and it's made of steel. Okay, so the components, let's start at the front. So you get steel handlebars that are chromed, you get a steel headset, you get lever look grips, you get a 7-speed Shimano shifter, you get bell, you get V-brakes, you get alloy 700C wheels with I don't know what make of tyres are they? Why can't I read that? Mariva, I think, tyres. They're sort of no name Chinese ones. You get a single speed chain set. You get the chain guard, which I mentioned. You get vintage style pedals. You get Tournay rear derailleur, and you get 7-speed cassette or freewheel at the back, should I say. You get a steel seat post and you get a lever look saddle. So this one is quite old, and you can see doesn't really not really fared up very well, to be fair. As bikes go, it's not awful. So let's have a look at the component. Sorry, we've done the components. Let's have a look at the build quality. So, look here, tiny little MIG welds. Tiny little MIG welds. This weld here is a little bit untidy. There's a gap just in there. Let's have a look down here where it matters. That's not too bad. There's not a lot of weld there. It's not too bad. Build quality's okay. It's not gonna set the world alight, but it's okay, it's passable. The look, I can understand why this has been a big seller for Probike, because it's a black bike with leather look saddle and handlebars, which means it looks like quite a nice bike. Gold decals, chain guard. I imagine it's done very well for Probike. Although it does weigh an absolute ton. It's a very heavy bike. I don't know if I'd want to pedal it far. Value for money, 325 quid for a new one. Seems steep to me. Yeah, you're getting alloy wheels, but spokes don't last so long. You can see they're starting to go corroded. The front hubs and the rear hubs are nothing special. The bottom bracket isn't anything special neither. Would I buy one? I don't think I would. Not new, because it's heavy and you're getting 7 gears and a lot of no-name stuff. second hand, yeah, I think I would. At the right price, I think these are a bargain, because you do get everything in it. You get a rack, you get mud guards, you get a chain guard, you get your gear, you get 7 gears. It's perfect if you just want to go to the shops to get food bits or that sort of thing, but it is very heavy, and 325 quid for one of these seems a lot. I think you can do better. Okay, so if you've got one of these and love it, let me know. If you've got one of these and hate it, let me know in the comments. If you're thinking of getting one, we hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our review videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.